Welcome to today's tutorial. Jeon Somi closer. It's K-pop time.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
Okay, let's go straight into it. The dance is gonna be divided in two parts. So we're gonna start with the first part, which is about 4 times 8 count, and then we'll go into the second part. The little intro, you go out on 5. This is my right hand, by the way. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then you start on 1. The pre-intro is start like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we start 1. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. The first time 8 start like this. So you're up with your right, then you're gonna step 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you go with your hips side to side. So the dance today is a little bit feminine vibes. All right, make it hot, make it spicy, make it sassy. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start, you throw your hands at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just a right, a left, a right, left. Very simple, and move your hip the way you want at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, you bring your left hand and you make a move like that, up and down, right? So 5, 6, you throw your hands out on 7, bring them up in, clap on 8. So 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with your legs, you keep going, right? You go 5, 6, out on 7, up on 8. Okay? So let's try again from the top. So you were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the first 8. One more time slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We move into the second 8. So we end up here on 8. Then you're gonna go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna step right, left. Okay, so right, left. When I land with the left, my hips goes around from left to right slowly, like this, like that, you know. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until 5. So you go, and 1. This is gonna be right, left, go, go, go. At the same time, you're gonna cross your hands right on top, left under, boom, up slowly, fingers moving like this, dusty, dusty, dusty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, same time. So from 8, you go 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from here, you're gonna throw your hands out on 6, and then a little circle on 7. So 6, 7, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It goes here, down, up. If you like, you can hit, or just up here a little circle. Boom, with your hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Here, you end up with your hand here under your face. And that was for the second 8. Let's take it again. I'm sweating like that. Second 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you throw your hands like that, you gotta go with your hips again. First time is down, second time it's up. So down and up, okay? So here you're gonna throw, boom, boom. Again, so from here, throw your hand, out sometime, hips. So again, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let's move into the third time 8. So you were here, 8. From here, I'm making like a belly roll, starting with my chest going back and in and back and in. All right. And the finger on my hand are moving like this. Slowly, front and back. So you go 1, 2, 3. So slow, boom, para, boom. Yes, so again, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna step in with your right here, 4, and you end up with your right hand here on the top of your head on 4. Okay, that's the first 4 count. One more time. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. So 7, you bring it inside, bring your right inside, and 8 on your right knee, and turn to the side, give me an 8. Good. Okay. 1 time 8 left for the first part. So you here, you're gonna step down with your right and make a little body roll like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your hands were here. Your hands are coming in slowly like this and throw down on 4. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. At the same time doing the body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're here on 8. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You step 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, so 2 fingers like that go out, in, out, in. At the same time, I'm gonna step right, left, right, left. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The last one you hit with the shoulder. 5 and 6 and 7 and hit. So 5 and 6 and 7 and hit. Okay, that was for the fourth part. So here it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hit. Okay? So the last 8 of the first part, slow. We're here on 8. Go slow, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hit. Okay, so that was the first part. Okay, guys, now we're gonna take the first part again, all 4 counts together slowly from the top with the little phone intro. Okay, let's go into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.